Hello YouTube family, welcome back. Let's provide a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 6 raised to power x minus 2. This is equal to 48. So we are saying that 6 raised to power x minus 2, this is in the form of a raised to power n minus m, which is equal to a raised to power n, okay, divided by a raised to power m, okay. So let's apply this property. We're going to have 6 raised to power x divided by 6 squared. This is equal to 48, okay? So 48, this is a whole number series of 1. Now let's cross multiply this. This is the same as 6 raised to power x. This is equal to 6 squared multiplied by 48, okay? Okay, which is the same thing as 6 raised to power x. This is equal to 6 squared. This is 36 multiplied by 48, okay? Now, to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm so that we'll have log 6 raised to power x. This is equal to log. This is the same thing as 6 squared multiplied by 48. Okay? So, from what we have, log 6 raised to power x, this is in the form of log a raised to power n, which we can express as n log a. Okay? So let's apply this property so that we're going to have x log 6. This is equal to log. This is 6 squared multiplied by 48. Okay. Now 48 can be expressed as, this is the same thing as 8 multiplied by 6. Okay. So from what we have x log 6. This is equal to, now this is log 6 squared multiplied by 6 multiplied by 8. Alright? Now log 6 squared multiplied by 6 times 8. This is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Okay? So let's apply this property so that we're going to have x log 6. This is equal to log 6 squared, okay, plus log 6, okay, plus log 8, okay. So we divide both sides by log 6. This is log 6, okay, here by log 6, and also here by log 6. Now let's simplify this. Let's simplify. So that x is equal to, simplify this, we have log 6 divided by log 6 simplifies. Now log 6 here also simplifies. Log 6 over log 6 simplifies. So that here, x is equal to 2 plus, this is 1. Log 6 divided by log 6 becomes 1. Then plus, this is log 8 divided by log 6. Okay? So x, this is equal to 2 plus 1, this is 3, plus, now log 8 divided by log 6, this is in the form of log 8 divided by log 6, which you can express as log 8 divided to base 6, okay? So we are saying that log 8 divided by log 6, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a to base b, okay? So if we express using this property, this is the same thing as log 8 to base 6, and this is the value of x. So let's verify if this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's quickly verify this. So we have that 6 raised to power x minus 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48, okay? So let's substitute the value of x here. We have 6 raised to power 3 plus log 8 to base 6, subtract 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. So 3 subtract 2, this is the same thing as 1 plus log 8 to base 6. This is equal to 48, okay? So 6 raised to power 1 plus log 8 to base 6. This is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can express as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. So let's apply this property. So this is the same thing as 6 raised to power 1 multiplied by 6 raised to power log 8 to base 6. Okay, this is equal to 48. Now 6 raised to power log 8 to base 6. This is in the form of a raised to power log b to base a, which is basically equal to b. Okay, so applying this property, we'll have 6 raised to power log 8 to base 6. This is essentially equal to 8. So let's substitute this 8 back to the equation. This is the same thing as 6 multiplied by 8. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. And it's true, 6 times 8, this is equal to 48, which is equal to 48. Okay, so that means that the value of x, which is actually equal to 3 plus log 8 to base 6, satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching. Follow the steps and subscribe. See you in the next video.